Welcome back to Auto Garage, and today you're looking at the future of armored overland dominance. Meet the 2026 Toyota Thunderbone, an expedition vehicle that looks like it was built for a world where roads no longer matter and survival comes standard. The first thing that hits you is the presence. Massive, intimidating, unapologetically aggressive. This 8x8 beast doesn't ask for space, it takes it. Every sharp angle, every armored panel screams purpose. The dark graphite metallic finish reflects light like a blade, giving it a stealthy, military-grade attitude that feels alive even when standing still. Up front, the bold Toyota grille isn't just branding, it's a statement of authority. Flanked by razor-sharp LED matrix headlights and a full-width roof light bar, the Thunderbone owns the darkness. Whether it's a desert storm, an Arctic night, or total blackout conditions, this machine sees everything. Look lower and you'll notice the steel bull bar, integrated winch, and heavy-duty recovery hooks. This vehicle isn't designed to be rescued. It's designed to rescue others or pull itself out of situations most vehicles would never survive. Now take a breath and look at those wheels. 8 massive off-road tires, each one built to claw through mud, sand, snow, and rock. The suspension is reinforced to handle extreme terrain, insane weight, and brutal impacts. High ground clearance means obstacles are irrelevant. Curbs, boulders, debris, the Thunderbone doesn't slow down. Move along the side and the armored body really shows its muscle. Tactical doors, reinforced hinges, bullet-resistant windows. This is military inspiration fused with Toyota reliability. It's an expedition vehicle for explorers, governments, elites, and anyone who refuses to be limited by geography. Up top, the roof rack is loaded and ready. Storage crates, fuel canisters, expedition gear, everything you need to disappear off-grid for weeks, maybe months. This isn't about luxury camping. This is about total independence. And yet, step inside. The interior flips the script. Dark graphite and black leather wrap around you like a command center. The driver cockpit feels more like a fighter jet than a truck. Massive digital displays, a wide curved touchscreen, tactical switches, and a holographic heads-up display projecting critical data straight onto the windshield. This is where luxury meets warfare-level engineering. Ambient LED lighting glows softly, contrasting the brutal exterior with calm control inside. The seats are reinforced, stitched for endurance, built to keep you locked in place no matter how violent the terrain becomes. Behind the cockpit, the Thunderbone transforms into a mobile operations hub. Foldable armored seats, storage compartments, communication panels, and mission control-style screens make this vehicle ready for transport, coordination, or survival in hostile environments. This is not about speed. This is about dominance. The 2026 Toyota Thunderbone isn't chasing trends, it's preparing for realities most vehicles are never designed to face. Climate extremes, broken infrastructure, lawless terrain, total isolation. And that's what makes it terrifyingly beautiful. If you had to drive through the end of the world, this is what you'd want beneath you.